Hi all, let me discuss about the topic phase space. In simple words, phase space can be defined as a space which is formed by the position and momentum coordinate. Or we can say that the microstate of a given classical system at any time t may be defined by specifying the instantaneous position and momentum of all the particles constituting the system. Or phase space can be will be the in phase space there will be of 6n coordinate, in which 3n coordinates will be of position and 3n coordinates will be of momentum, that is position x, y, z, and momentum coordinate px, py, and pz. We can say that the volume of this volume of phase space can be written as by multiplying x, y, z and px, py, pz. We will be taking that the difference, a small difference, that is dx, dy, dz, and dpx, dpy, and dpz. Or the space defining this microstate is called the phase space, and there will be a point, phase point, which is taken as the representative point of the given system, or in phase space the single point that gives information about the entire system. Also the instantaneous state of the particle is represented by a point in phase space called phase point. And each and every point in the phase space will be represents a microstate of the ensemble. And if time passes, the set of coordinates qi and pi will which defines the microstate of the system undergoes a continuous change correspondingly, and the representative point in the phase space curves out a trajectory whose direction at any instant t is determined by the velocity vector v equal to qi dot and pi dot. And this trajectory will be of a limited region where the finite energy will limit the values of both qa and pi. So we will be getting of a restricted volume, that is to a hyperspace. This trajectory will be restricted to a hyperspace. For example, if we are taking the case of harmonic oscillator, the Hamiltonian of the harmonic oscillator can be represented as h equal to p square by 2m plus half m omega square q square, which can be written as root of e all square equal to root of p square by 2m whole square plus root of half m omega square q square whole square. We know that this equation is of the form of a circle in 2D space. Actually, the phase space is in 6n dimension, so all the momentum and position coordinate are added, which will representing a hypersphere. The motion of this trajectory will be of a hypersphere. And we can this minimum volume of a phase space microstate is limited by the principle of uncertainty. We can define that this volume by uncertainty principle. That is, we know that uncertainty principle is delta xi into delta pi approximately equal to h. So h will be taken as the volume. So if we are looking at the different cases, we know that if we are taking of one dimension, then the variables in physical space will be x1, and we will have a momentum coordinate in the phase space. So there will be x1, p1 in phase space in the case of one dimension. So the volume will be of h. If we are taking about the second two-dimensional case, there will be x1 and x2 in physical space, and there will be in phase space there will be x1, x2, p1, p2. So the volume in this phase space in case of two-dimensional is h into h, that is h square. And similarly in the case of three-dimensional we will be getting h cube, and in the case of n-dimensional we will be getting h raised to n.